Kendo nasingo nunu wabro kelo weche motudore gi weche mag Olympic. E seche ma piny mangima chano mar bago nyasi ne odiechieng' ma tuo mar hepatitis B, atamalo ma tuono e counties ma Baringo, Migori kod Turkana bende medo idho. Kaunti ma Baringo oseyudo atamalo 11 ma tuono ka ji mang'eny wito ngimagi. Ka nonro yango ni rocho ratich jogo man gi tuono osebedo gatamalo mamalo ka ji mathoth bende osebedo ka wito ngimagi. Florence kod Joseph Mangi tuono yango ni gisebedo ka gineno medruok mar tuoche e gwengego, ka Ibrahim Sumuko ma en jalony weche mag thieth e kauntino yango ni kauntis oseyudo kes maromo 700 ma tuono e gwenge ma Marigat.
Na ilisemekana hii urogi inabebwa na makucha hiyo dawa. Mtu akikukuta ukikula anakuwekea kwa chakula. Sasa ndio nilikuwa najiuliza mimi nilitembelea mkutano gani ama sherehe gani ndio nimewekewa hii uchawi.
Scientific approach to treatment is what we need. So we need to send out the right messages out there so that we demystify the talks out there.
Tulipata kupoteza watu wengi sana. Hasa kwa kijiji changu mimi tulipoteza watu karibu zaidi ya 3 na kwa sababu ya ugonjwa. Manake tunaposika tunaambiwa aliaga kwa sababu ya hepatitis B. So ikachukua sasa mkondo mwingine, watu sasa wakaanza kujiuliza hepatitis B ni nini.
Unfortunately, there was shortage of vaccines for hepatitis B, and they are not stocked at KEMSA. It used to be stocked by a company called GSK. We were told that they left the country sometimes last year, and the only people who stock it currently is Meds. Unfortunately, the vaccine is also a bit expensive because one jab is around 250 Kenya shillings.
There is less awareness about the hepatitis, and therefore the Ministry of Health through NASCOP has decided to set up a unit which primarily focuses on viral hepatitis.